पहला हफ्ता खत्म होते ही सारा गुरपाल को बाहर का रास्ता दिखा दिया गया था। सारा गुरपाल के साथ ही साथ इस शो के दर्शक भी इस शॉकिंग एविक्शन से हैरान। वहीं बिग बॉस 14 के दूसरे हफ्ते की नॉमिनेशन प्रक्रिया भी खत्म हो चुकी। बीती रात ही बिग बॉस ने ऐलान किया कि इस हफ्ते घर से बेघर होने के लिए कुल 5 सदस्य नॉमिनेट हुए। इस लिस्ट में रुबीना दिलैक, जान कुमार सानू, जैस्मिन भसीन, शहजाद देओल और अभिनव शुक्ला के नाम। नॉमिनेशन प्रक्रिया के लिए बिग बॉस ने घर वालों को बीबी फार्म नाम का एक टास्क दिया था। अब जनता जनार्दन इस बात के अनुमान लगाने लगी है कि आखिर इस हफ्ते घर से कौन जाएगा। कई लोगों का मानना है कि इस हफ्ते जान कुमार सानू का पत्ता कट सकता है। बिग बॉस 14 की शुरुआत से ही लोग मान रहे थे कि जान कुमार सानू इस शो में ज्यादा दिन नहीं टिकने वाले। वही इस तरह की भी उम्मीद जताई जा रही है कि इस हफ्ते घर में डबल एविक्शन भी हो सकता है। माना जा रहा है कि इस हफ्ते जान कुमार सानू के साथ साथ अभिनव शुक्ला को बाहर किया जा सकता है। दरअसल ट्विटर पर बिग बॉस तक के नाम से एक ट्विटर हैंडल है जो कि इस शो से जुड़ी खबरें बताता है। वहीं आने वाले एपिसोड में जो ट्विस्ट आने वाला है उसे लेकर बिग बॉस तक ने लिखा, Abhinav Shukla and Jan are the ones who are in danger zone on the basis of content. If double eviction twist, chances is there, one by public vote and one by seniors. Both may be out there. Shehzad Deol not going anywhere unless any major twist. इसका मतलब जान कुमार सानू और अभिनव शुक्ला इस हफ्ते शो से बाहर हो सकते हैं। वैसे आपको बता दें कि सलमान खान के शो में जल्द ही नैना सिंह, प्रतीक सहजपाल और शार्दुल पंडित की एंट्री होने वाली। वहीं मेकर्स ने घर के सीनियर्स गौहर खान, हिना खान और सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला को लेकर चौंकाने वाला फैसला किया। खबरें हैं कि ये सीनियर्स अभी एक और हफ्ते घर के अंदर ही रहने वाले, यानी सीनियर्स घर में अभी और ड्रामे करने वाले। वैसे आपका इस पर क्या कहना है, हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं और बिग बॉस से जुड़ी खबरों को जानने के लिए बने रहें हमारे साथ।
Yeah, ठीक है. Yeah, so the people who convinced me are Sheetal and Manisha, and also the show itself. When I'm going through it, you know, it's quite a tiresome show, and it's a difficult, very difficult show to handle. So you have to keep on watching each episode twice, and then refresh your memory just before you're going up on stage. So that takes a lot of work. So and then also when you see some kandas happen in the house, then you have to call up and find out ye shuruaat kahan se hui thi, you know, who started it off. So it takes a lot of watching the show, and sometimes you love watching the show, and sometimes the things that happen in the house you can't stand them. But I guess this is the format of the show. So first when I got into Big Boss, it was very organic. You know, people came in, they actually played the game, they didn't know the game, they were being themselves. Then after the 6th, 7th season, then they became Shanas. They had watched the game and they knew that there's some things that they would do, you know, they would be noticed and they'll be watched. So then they started doing that. So once I started understanding, Kyacha, now these guys are actually playing the game. They're aware of what they're doing. So I myself started taking it easy on them because they've grown up people. You know, this is the path that they want to take and this is how they want to play the game. So I, you know, took it easy on them. But sometimes, you know, it's because you're watching it on television, you are, you know, kids are watching it too, and you know, your parents and senior citizens are watching this game, and sometimes it goes too much, too overboard. So when that happens, then I step in, and then I do what I have to do. So every single day you keep on, every single moment, every single day you keep on learning something or the other. But there are so many times from Big Boss, I see somebody reacting in a particular manner. I said, I wish I could react like that. And then when somebody does not react in the correct manner, you get to learn that, okay, these are situations that keep on coming in your daily life. So this is the way you should not react. So both how to react and how not to react, I think everyone learns that from the Big Boss show.
Salman, this season, how different going to be? The format always changes. We try to make it interesting every time. How are you going to be?
I am going to be exactly like the way the contestants are going to be inside. So I myself don't know कि क्या connect होगा, किसके साथ होगा, किसके साथ नहीं होगा. Who are the contestants going inside, then my rapport with them, and how they play the game. तो it's a very difficult. इसका कोई जवाब है नहीं और हम और एंडमॉल और कलर्स जितनी भी प्लानिंग कर लें बाहर से वो it doesn't work because the contestants have their own mindset. They play their game the way they want to play it because it's like totally non-scripted. And now, if somebody's now the people who are going to go into the house, they already know that they're going in, so their preparation must have already started. कि मैं ये करूँगा, मैं ये ऐसा करूँगी, ऐसा करूँगा. तो वो it becomes it's their own mind now. It's their own mind, and we can't have control over anybody's mind and anyone's thoughts.
Same thing. This is express actually. This is going to be express thing. It's going to be a little faster. उस चीज से related है वो thinking.
So usually जो first 2 हफ्ते जो होते हैं, um, they pick up slow the first week and then the second week until the time people get to know each other. अब जब एक दूसरे को सब जान लेते हैं, then your show becomes interesting. But यहाँ पर ऐसा किया है कि जैसे घर के अंदर घुसो, वहीं से it becomes like a really quick, fast-paced journey of the house.
Commoners are not part of the show. It's a celebrity express and commoners are not there. So do you think it will be easier for you क्योंकि जब ये commoners और celebrity की लड़ाई तो हर बात पे होती है कि do not share वो नहीं होगा.
वो तो पहले भी नहीं हुआ करता था. वो जैसे वो थे मनवीर और मन्नू, वो जब आए थे as commoners, they played the game really well, and also the celebrities had to be on the back foot all the time, क्योंकि जहाँ अगर सेलिब्रिटी ने कुछ बोला उनको तो ऐसा देखो ये सेलिब्रिटी हैं,